As Buddha said, it's better to travel well than to arrive. Click subscribe and the bell below and come along for more adventures. Welcome to my iTalki language learning program review. This video is not sponsored, and I'm giving you my honest opinions after purchasing lessons for myself. So what is iTalki? iTalki is an online language learning system that allows you to acquire language through live, real-time, one-on-one tutoring with a native speaker. This real-time, one-on-one tutoring makes iTalki stand out above other language programs. First in this video, I'll explain instructions on how to use iTalki. Second, I'll give my pros and cons in my review. Third will be tips on using iTalki. And finally, I'll tell you where to sign up. Step 1 is to register for an account. Registering for an account is easy. It's just a matter of providing your contact information, giving a payment method, and setting up your dashboard. I recommend completing a short bio to let teachers know what your current skill level is, what your goals are, and how you like to learn. Step 2 is to search for teachers. You'll need to search for teachers in the language or languages you want to learn. There's over 10,000 teachers available to choose from. You can watch an intro video for each teacher to help you decide. Then you'll want to schedule a lesson. You'll want to schedule a lesson using your teacher's availability schedule. You'll want to choose a day and time that best works for you. Schedule at least 12 hours in advance, or choose a teacher that offers instant lessons. And the last step is to prepare for and attend your session. Most teachers conduct lessons over Skype. Sign up for a free account if you don't already have one, and test to make sure it's working and you know how to use it. Email your instructor if you have any preferences you want them to know about. For example, I want to learn how to order in a restaurant, or I'm a visual learner. Some teachers may even have access to a textbook you may want to use. Then, attend your session. Now I'm going to get into the review portion of this video. First, I'll tell you what I love about iTalki. First, you can learn anywhere with iTalki. You can use iTalki on your laptop or computer through their website, or you can download the app for your tablet or phone. You can take it with you and use it anywhere a Wi-Fi connection is available. The next great thing about iTalki, one-on-one tutoring. With iTalki, you get one-on-one tutoring, just you and your teacher. You get your instructor's undivided attention for the length of your lesson, which is custom tailored to your needs. Next, you get to choose your teacher. There's over 10,000 teachers on iTalki. Watch their intro videos, read reviews, take a trial lesson. You're sure to find someone that's the right fit for you. Another great advantage to iTalki, cover exactly the topics that are important to you. So, you want to learn K-pop lyrics and terminology from your Korean teacher? No problem. Want to talk Brazilian football, or as it's called in the US and Canada, soccer? Your Brazilian Portuguese teacher will be happy to oblige. Japanese anime your thing? Your Japanese teacher will help you navigate your favorite shows and books. Just want to focus on travel vocabulary and conversation only? You got it! iTalki is also great for visual learners. If you're a visual learner like I am, you need visual stimulation to retain interest and ambition for your language learning endeavors. If you get bored with audio-only programs or textbooks alone aren't enough to keep you motivated, try a live lesson with conversation and visual instruction, and add your textbooks, notebooks, and pens into the mix. One of my favorite things about iTalki is the fact that you can learn virtually any language on the planet. iTalki has the biggest selection of languages I've ever seen in any language learning program. Whether you want to learn a popular language like Spanish or Chinese, or you want something a little harder to find like Pashto or Zulu, you can learn it here. This is especially great for people learning more than one language. Cultural immersion, time with a native. I think iTalki sums this up best on their website. Quote, on iTalki, it's about mastering a timeless skill, cultivating new perspectives, and connecting with fascinating people from around the world, end quote. Remember, you can learn about the culture of the country where the language comes from, not just the language itself, from the native tutors. iTalki is a very good value when compared with other language learning programs. There's a wide variety of price per hour ranges on iTalki, depending on what language or languages you want to learn and which teacher you choose. Teachers set their own rates, which range from around $5 an hour to around $25 an hour. It's common to find instructors around the $10 an hour mark. Trial lessons for only a few dollars are also available, as well as multiple session package deals. You can learn at your own pace on iTalki. Whether you're already overseas and want to learn the language as quickly as possible, or there's no rush and you're extremely busy, iTalki is for you. You get to set your own pace, scheduling lessons as often as you'd like, and telling your teacher to slow down or speed up with the material to a pace you can handle. Learn on your own time. Life is busy for most people these days, so being able to schedule lessons on the days and times that best work for you is a huge advantage. And the accountability of having to show up because a real person is relying on you to be there, you're less likely to make up excuses why you can't learn today, especially since you chose the optimal time. And since nothing's all rainbows and unicorns perfection, now I'm going to give you my cons. For one thing, some teachers are better than others. Fortunately, you can mitigate this problem by reading reviews of the teachers before scheduling with them and checking their statistics for their number of completed sessions, response rate, and attendance rate. Also, the program can be intimidating for shy people. I admit, I'm one of those shy people, and I was very nervous ahead of my first lesson, but my teacher quickly made me feel at ease. And you can turn off the webcam if you prefer. The need to overcome accent embarrassment. A lot of people are embarrassed to practice speaking foreign languages because as a non-native speaker, their accent won't be perfect. But fear not. Your teacher will help you improve your accent. And reminder, you're their customer. Nobody's making fun of you. Not really a deal breaker, but the community features are a little lacking. The community features are few and far between. There's a forum to have dialogue with other students and teachers, some articles from iTalki staff, and the occasional contest. I think they're underwhelming, and I don't find myself making much use of those features. Now I'll give you some tips for using iTalki. First, email your teacher ahead of time with your goals. Let them know what topics you'd like to cover, what your ability level is, and what kind of learner you are. 2, set a reminder on your calendar. 3, take notes so that you can review the material after the session. 4, practice on your own after the lesson so that you'll retain the information. 5, be consistent. Retain the information you learned fresh in your memory by reviewing it periodically with your teacher. And 6, consider package plans that can give you a good discount on multiple lessons from the same teacher. The verdict? Big thumbs up for iTalki as a great language learning program for people whose goal it is to learn languages for travel. Best of luck to you on your language learning journey. Be sure to check out my playlist on language learning for travel here on YouTube. And click the link in the description box to sign up for iTalki. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Smash like, subscribe,